Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So panibagong topic na naman ang pag-uusapan natin. July 2024, Visa Bulletin has been released. So let's go guys, silipin natin.
So bali ito na nga yung recent Visa Bulletin for the month of July 2024. So pag inopen natin to, then punta tayo dito sa baba. Ito nga yung employment base. Third preference, Philippines. Grabe naman to. Sobra naman. My God, retrogression is real. Wala akong masabi dito sa date na to. Grabe yung retrogression. So almost 12 months backward siya guys, no? From November 22, 2022. At ito na nga yung July. December 1, 2021 for Philippines, including yung rest of the world. My goodness, grabe, ang hirap talaga. 12 months backwards for the recent Visa Bulletin. But anyway guys, wala tayong magagawa dito. Ganun talaga, kapit lang. Medyo hintay-hintay lang talaga. Ito lang talaga yung magagawa natin dito. As long as complete ka na all the process. So, hintay na lang tayo guys for the next Visa Bulletin. So yun na po guys. Medyo hindi talaga magandang balita yung July 2024 Visa Bulletin. So, we need to wait for the next announcement for the Visa Bulletin. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunood. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Abang-abang lang tayo for the next update guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.